Hello, here is a quick guide how to remove front bumper Audi A6 C7. So first step, you have to remove this plastic panel. It's holding only two clips. Pull this center clip and you can remove it. Then this whole panel holding only clips. It's very easy. Plastic clips. Just pull and you can take it out. Next, there is a screw. One. And here another one. You have to remove. So these two screws, Torx 20, removed. This part comes freely. So next step, under the bumper, under the bumper you need to unscrew this one. It's Torx 20. This one Torx 30, 30, 30, 30, and this one, this one not original, but it should be Torx 20. So two Torx 20 and 4 screws Torx 30. So you have to unscrew. So all the screws unscrew. This part comes loose. So next step, to the one of the wheel arch. So in the wheel arch we need to unscrew these 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. It's Torx 25, and then we have access to these two bolts. So let's unscrew this. So these 4 screws unscrewed. Now you can push this to the side and you can see this 10mm screw, and you have to unscrew this. So the screw unscrewed. So another screw is difficult to reach. This in the hole right here. We have used extended and you can turn. So after unscrewing these screws, this bumper side comes freely, completely. So next step, to the another wheel arch. So in this wheel arch is the same 4 screws, Torx 25, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first these 4 screws. So after all these 4 screws unscrew, you can access this screw. In this case it's Torx, and another side it was 10mm, so I don't know which one was original. So this one is Torx 25, so you have to unscrew this, and then 10 millimeters in this hole right here. It's difficult to reach, so be patient and use extended tool to reach this bolt. So unscrew this and this. This side of bumper will be free. So let's go. So the side of bumper is loose. So now we can take our bumper Now you can disconnect these plugs. It's easier to remove. You can just take some screwdriver small and push it here and completely. You don't need to push right here. If you have access, you can do like this, and we'll then pull. That's all. So we have the washer, headlight washer pipe disconnect from this side. There is a fixator. This one. And you need something, some bucket, because there will be a lot of washing fluid. You have to collect it. You can reuse it. So I'm using this clean bottle for washing fluid, so I can reuse it later. So a bumper removed. So if you have front camera, there is also one connector. So that's all. So to remove the front camera from Audi A6 C7, you have to remove all bumper firstly, and then you have to remove this front grille, and then you can remove the camera. So you have to unscrew all these screws around. I already removed the upper ones, but you have screws here and down here. So all these screws you have to remove. These screws 1, 2, 3 here, and then this part comes apart, and then you can remove this camera. Also, you have to remove number plate because there is the screws holding number plate holder, so you have to remove. So like I said, all screws around perimeter, and you have to remove this parking sensors wiring, unplug the sensors. So next step, you have to push all these fixators little by little and around all, and it comes freely. All these plastic legs should come out, and you can remove this grill, and where is our camera? So you can't remove it if you don't remove this front grill. It's not 5-minute job. So now you can unplug your camera, unscrew with 2 screws, and you can replace it